Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear recent communities in Reddit in 2025. So first of all, you have to log into your reddit.com Reddit account, official account, and or you can just open your Reddit app from your smartphone, and then you can see these are the recent communities. So officially you cannot delete or clear this recent communities from Reddit. So what you can do alternatively, you can just search for other communities like this one, and whenever you uh, search for a community, you can see it will be added auto onto the recent community section, and you can just see multiple of these communities and search for it, and it will be automatically added here, and the previous recent communities will be vanished one by one. So that's it, what you can do most. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.